Welcome to my house. You've never been here before. Oh, okay, today's quarantine vlog is at home. I have nothing to show, but maybe I have a few things to say. Let's do a short one, maybe. First of all, this book is so good. I'm like, that far into it, and I'm already absolutely in love. I've loved Simon Sinek's speeches on YouTube. So good. And then I finally got one of his books, and I'm sold. It's amazing. So I want to say that. Yeah, today has been an interesting day of strategy and planning the entire day, while also playing with kids who are running around. It's Sunday today, so it has been nice to be home. I've been meaning to go into the shop, put another couple pallets on, work on some Saga parts, etc. But it's like 7 o'clock or later right now, and I haven't gotten that far yet. So I might sneak in late tonight and throw on 2 more pallets. I haven't decided. I'm working on some stuff right now that has to get done first. So like I said, big strategy day. This is a tough time for everybody, and tough time for us too. We're no different. We're no more special than anybody else. But we just have to be super smart. We have to be safe. We have to be cautious. Yet we still want to be able to, hit the ground running on the other side of this and get there. And nobody knows how long that's going to be. So it's just interesting, A lot of optimism, a lot of pessimism, a lot of excitement, a lot of worry. It's been an emotional roller coaster of a day, but it's okay. It's the life of an entrepreneur. This is the stuff nobody talks about. This is stuff I don't talk about, that I don't really want to talk about, but I think it's helpful for some of you. So I'm not going to get too deep into this one, but yeah, that's what my day's been. I'm just antsy to get back to the shop and keep doing. Like, the vlogs have been fun. You guys have been super supportive. The comments, like, I think three vlogs are posted. Maybe the fourth one, like, just in the past few minutes that I haven't seen yet. You guys are loving it, and it's fun. It's really fun for me to do. It only works because there's nobody else there. There's no other machines running. There's nobody blasting air every 10 seconds. I can focus, and I can have the camera, and I can set up angles, and I can talk to it, and it's quiet enough, even with the air compressor running every now and then. That's why it works. So the reason why we haven't been doing these videos is because the shop has gotten bigger and busier and crazier, and it's very difficult for me, especially when there's a lot of people around and I have a lot of responsibilities and a lot of, things to do and questions to answer and things to make and all that. I can't just do this. So it's been awesome for me. Like, I know you guys have been enjoying it. I've been enjoying the heck out of it too, to make these parts and make these videos and just film the journey. It's been so cool, and surprisingly effective with that Canon M50. It takes awesome video. The GorillaPod, even with it being a little wonky, is awesome because I can set it up anywhere. Some of the inside lathe shots, I've got a ladder set up next to the thing that I wrap it on the top rung, and I can see like down into the lathe, so that's been good. And yeah, it's just been fun. So we'll see. I can't guarantee I'll be doing them every day. A lot of things going on. The fact that I'm doing this one's pretty sweet. I just realized like 3 minutes ago that I'm like, I could do one at home. So that's what I'm doing. Yeah, I don't want to ramble on too much, but things are good. We're healthy. Kids are great. My wife's great. Eric's great. Everybody on the team's still healthy and great. So things are good. I hope you guys are good too. I hope you're being smart, not stupid. Seems like a lot of people are being stupid right now. So it's like you gotta be overly cautious, and it feels dumb because you're like, but it's fine. But you just gotta stuff that down, and you gotta be like, no, let's be safe instead of stupid right now. And it's tough. I know it's tough, but that's the thing. And this will end, or at least taper off, and we'll slowly start getting back to a new normal. And I want that to happen tomorrow, but I know it's not going to. So we'll get there. We just got to get there. We just got to do it. So anyway, that's all I got for you guys. Hopefully, I'll see you tomorrow.